to look at number 5. All right. Oops. Didn't really need that one. So we're going to look at number 5 now. So y equals 5x squared. All right. Plus 2x over 2x to the 5th minus 4x cubed. All right. So up top, they both have x's. So we're going to pull that out. We're going to have 5x plus 2. If we look in the denominator, we're going to pull out 2x cubed. That gives me, once again, x squared minus 2. All right. What that tells me is I got a whole at 0 because the x's cancel out. So x equals 0 is a whole. All right. But because it cancels this out, it's actually going to be still a vertical asymptote because even after the x's cancel out, all right, x equals 0 is going to be a vertical asymptote. All right. And then just like number 2 we talked about before, x squared minus 2 means plus minus root 2 are other vertical asymptotes. Ooh, that's going to be a tricky one. So we're going to have 3 vertical asymptotes. 0 is a vertical asymptote. Negative 1.4 is a vertical asymptote, and positive 1.4 is an asymptote. So I got all types of regions. So I'm going to go to Desmos to graph that. All right. That way. So Desmos.com. All right. Graphing calculator. Y equals 5x cubed plus 2x over 2x to the 5th minus 4x. It was to the 3rd. All right. You'll notice you got all types of stuff going on. All right. So basically, you would have to plug in all types of points. You don't have to worry about that one. You're not going to have anything with that many asymptotes. All right. But you would just plug in points in between. So to see how that one plays out, if I plugged in 1, which is between them, all right. So if I plugged in 1, I'd have 3 up top, negative 2. That would put me at negative 1.5. That's what leads me to believe I got that graph there. If I plugged in negative 1, I'd have 5 minus 2, which is 3 over 2 minus 4. It's weird. 5 plus 2 is 3. 2 minus negative 2 plus 4 would be 2. So that would make it positive. If I look at my graph, that has it at negative. So negative 1, this is telling me is at about 3.5. Let me go back to the graph and analyze. So negative 1, 5x cubed plus 2x. Negative 1 cubed is negative 5. Negative 5 plus 2 would be negative 7. And then 2x to the 5th would be negative 2. Negative plus 4 would be positive. Okay, so negative 3/2, which puts it there. Maybe out here I plug in 2. That would give me 20 plus 4, which is 24, over 64 minus 32, which is 32. 24 over 32 puts me up here. That's why that graph, I believe, would be up there. And then if I plug in negative 2 over here, negative 2 squared is 4, plus 4 is 0, so that puts me here. All right. So maybe I do negative 3, because that puts me on the asymptote, so that can't be. So if I plug in negative 3, 45 minus 6 is 39. Over 3, 9, 27, 81, 243, negative 486. Just trying to see if it's positive or negative. If I plug in negative 3, the simplified, I'm going to have negative 3 times negative 13, which is positive 39, over Negative 54 over, which is negative, which puts me. Okay, the negative over negative makes a positive. So that's number 5. All right.